Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you guys to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload. Also, if you are feeling extra nice today, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up before exiting out this video. Alrighty guys, so today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys. I feel like I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but it was just last month, I believe. But I pre-ordered this actually last month and I just recently received it a few days ago, so I'm so excited to do this unboxing with you guys. Also, before I forget, I am gonna be announcing the winner for the Coach giveaway, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And all right, let's get on with the unboxing, guys. So this is actually the first time that I've ever received my Louis Vuitton without a ribbon, which is pretty sad, but that's totally fine. I know they're doing less contact because of the pandemic. If I do want a ribbon, I'll just go ahead and go to the boutique. Why am I explaining myself? I don't need to explain myself to you guys. Let's get on with the unboxing. I'm kind of sad that I wasn't the first one to unbox this for you guys, but that's totally fine. When I ordered the Nice Nano, I received it 2 days before it launched, but this one came like probably a couple of days after it launched, which is what's going on with that, Louis Vuitton. But you have the receipt in here if I do want to return it or exchange it. Do you guys have an idea what this is? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna just put this away. So it's inside this dust bag here. Guys, I feel like if you've been with me ever since I started doing, you know, unboxing, you probably already have an idea of what this is, but dun, 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 dun. Guys, I got the Petit Sac Plat. Oh my gosh, look at how tiny that is. My face is even bigger than the bag, but that's what it looks like. Let me show you guys a close-up. So this is what it looks at the front. The side, it's pretty thin. On the other side, and this one is the bottom. So the first thing I noticed, guys, is that the vachetta is already pre-treated. It comes in like a honey color already, which is, you know, totally fine with me. That way I don't have to worry about an even, you know, patina. So the inside comes with the strap. As always, it comes with the textile card, and this one is the product number. So this is what that looks inside. It's not that deep, guys, to be honest with you. So let me just show you guys how big it is, and that's with my nails too. So it's as big as my palm, so that way you guys have an idea. Inside, this one is made in France, which I'm so excited about. I've seen some people unbox this and their sac plat is from Italy, so I'm so excited that mine is from France. So it has a pocket inside. Let me see if my phone fits inside here. So I'm just gonna take out my phone out of the case. So it definitely fits inside with no problem. So this is what it looks like when I have my phone inside. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so cute. I also brought out my mini pochette. That way I can give you guys more reference on how big it is. So the mini pochette is definitely wider, guys, than the Petit Sac Plat. So that's what it looks like, as you can see. There you go. I also brought out my Nano Speedy with me. As you can see, the vachetta is lighter on the Nano Speedy, and this one already, you know, patinaed a little bit too, but it's still not as dark as the Sac Plat. So since we are already in here, might as well show you guys what fits inside here. I have to be honest with you guys, I feel like I'm not gonna be able to put as much in here since it's pretty, you know, small on the sides. So if you are considering on buying this, make sure to keep in mind that this doesn't fit as much as the Nano Speedy. So I'm first gonna start off with my phone. As you can see earlier, I was able to fit this on the pockets with no problem. You can see. So I always bring my 6 key rings with me. That's pretty snug if you have all your keys inside your 6 key rings, and it's kind of bulging out a little bit already. I always carry with me my key pouch, so that fits there with no problem. I carry a hand sanitizer with me. Ooh, guys, it's pretty snug, but it fits. My AirPods, and it's gonna be hard to get things in and out as well, so keep that also in mind. I have my Louis Vuitton perfume, so I'm not able to put any more inside, but this is what it looks like. If you have a lipstick, you can definitely add it on there, but you know, you can barely fit anything. I can't even put my lotion anymore, so yeah, it's pretty tight in there, as you can see. When I use this, I actually just plan on using this as a top handle, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the strap on. So this is what it looks like with the strap. So this is how the bag sits on me. It's so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. If you plan on using it as a top handle, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like without the strap. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing of this. I gotta say, I'm kind of disappointed that I can't fit as much inside, but it's definitely cute, guys. You know me, I love cute things, and you know, just as long as my keys, my phone fits inside there, I'm good to go. But yeah, all right, now let's move on to the winner of the giveaway. I have all the list of the names that entered. By the way, thank you guys so much for those who entered. I had my fiance, you know, put all the names, so it's not my handwriting, guys, it's his. So if it's looking a little funny, that's because that's his handwriting. So there are 38 people who entered. Let's go ahead and do the random number generator. So this is what the random generator looks like. So whatever number they give me, oh my gosh, the ring light, that will be the winner of the Coach giveaway. So let me just click it on here. Alrighty guys, so number 18. So number 18 is the LA Lover. Babe, ano ba naman to? I can't even understand your writing. Who is this? Number 18.
The LA Lover.
So there you go, guys, number 18. If you are the winner of the Coach giveaway, please don't forget to send me a private message on my Instagram. That way I can send this to you as soon as possible. If you didn't win this time, don't be disappointed because there are gonna be more giveaways to come. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And again, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.